Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and wanted to show you a 2013 Ram 1500 that we got in. We're getting ready to put this thing on the lot right now. Wanted to show it to you on the outside, and then we'll take a hop on the inside and I'll show you what it looks like in there. Now this one does have the Hemi engine, the 5.7 Hemi. So you're going to have plenty of power and torque with this. I'll go here and I'll walk kind of slowly to show you the body. The body looks to be in very good condition on this. You got tinted windows on it. It does have the tonneau cover that is on the back of it. And we'll walk around here on the back. Now one thing I do want to bring to your attention about the only flaw that I actually seen on this, you do have a small indentation right here. Now it does have a backup camera. There's your lens, and it actually displays your backup, the visualization in your rear view mirror inside of the truck itself. So I'll go ahead and back up, show you this side, some additional footage here. We'll go ahead and open it and show you what the interior looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and open the back first. It does have gray interior cloth. There's your carpet inside. The headliner is in really excellent condition. No rips, no tears. Show you what the door panel looks like. It's black. So let's go ahead and climb up board. Before I get up there, let me show you the interior from the outside looking in. I'll show you the door panel here. And there's all your window adjustments. Let me climb up in here, and I'll go ahead and shut the door, and we'll turn this thing on. Grab the keys for it. Okay, let me pull back and I'll actually show you the entire steering wheel. You have your adjustments here to scroll through your command center on your instrument cluster and your cruise control over here. And on this side you've got the adjustments for your lighting. I'm going to zoom in and show you the mileage on this. As of viewing or the video right now, it's 79,373 miles that is on this truck. Pan over here, I'll show you the command center. And so you've got your adjustments for your radio in here. This is your four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive option, just rotary dial, very simple to do. And your climate controls, tow haul, and you do have an adjustment right here for the pressure on your brakes. You do have two locations here for 12 volt. Second is over there. Now with this one, I'm going to show you the rear view camera, and I'm going to drop this down in reverse, and on this side you can see there goes someone walking behind, so it's a good thing I had that camera on. But that's where you're going to see your backup camera. So I'm going to pan around. You do have 3 cup holders right here in the storage compartment. This one lifts up, you have storage here. Then the entire thing will lift up. So let me pan around. I'll show you the back seat. There's actually very ample leg room back here. 2 cup holders. But that's a little bit as far as the interior. Now, wanted to let you know on the financing, we do have a lot of lenders that are very eager to loan money on the vehicles that we have. You do not have to have perfect credit, so if you've got some blemishes, less than perfect credit, feel free to contact us. You can actually submit an online application on our website. We can get you pre-approved. The majority of our financing loans on all of our vehicles are no money down. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call at area code 740-992-4443. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.